So first things first, obviously my buddy's inside inspecting the McLaren right now for damages. For all of you that have not shipped a car, that's one of the most important aspects when you first are picking up the car. You have to make sure, if you're the driver, you got to make sure there's no damages when you're picking it up. Something a lot of people kind of blow off, but it's actually very important that you go over the condition of the car with the driver, because a lot of people are just not aware of sometimes even damages that already exist on their own car. Obviously, once you get into the higher end exotic cars, it gets even more critical to really check over the car when it's being picked up. I would check underneath the bumpers, check underneath the rocker panels, inside the interiors, everything, because those people we already know are going to be 100 times more anal than most other people. And not to mention the damages are far more expensive on those kinds of cars as well. So there's my buddy's liftgate semi, and we're at Created Bespoke here. And for those of you that might not know, that is what a liftgate trailer looks like. That's obviously what all of your lower profile, higher end cars are going to get picked up on. I used to do a smaller trailer with race ramps, and those will work also, but you got to have one or the other, because even a lot of your enclosed trailers are just not low enough to the ground to actually get a lot of the lower profile cars in. So just another thing you have to be aware of when you're shipping the car. A lot of people think, oh, I just booked my order for an enclosed carrier, it's all the same. It's not all the same. Some carriers have better equipment than others. A liftgate is like the highest standard of excellence if you're trying to move some kind of, exotic type of car. A lot of detailed work. So you guys built this wing and the diffuser on the back and all the shit on the front?
We installed everything, painted, kind of like tailored it to fit exactly how it looks now.
The interior was 100% redone.
Yeah.
Everything.
Those obviously aren't the stock wheels either.
No.
It's on, I believe it's on coilovers, or it's spring on the tip. Full exhaust system too. It's pretty much a whole build. Wheels, fender, bumper replacement.
McLaren has the GTR, that's the track car, so it's the body kit to match that car.
How long did it take you guys to fit this thing out? A month or months? Ah.
From when it actually started on it, yeah. You got the key or something. Oh, came off. Yeah, it came off the neck.
Sun glare.
Is this all factory, like the width and everything? Sorry, we're saying it's factory. Yeah, the width is factory. Not a wide body.
Got to worry about the width when loading these. Slightly concerned about the width because they might have put like a wide body kit, and if it's over like 80, most of your Kentucky trailers cannot really load those. So that's something a lot of people have problems with when they do these custom cars like this. It's too wide, and they figure that out later. That's not really gonna Crazy ass build here. You got about 2 feet. You get, all right. That's how much space you have to go through the window inside an enclosed trailer. Pretty what? Yeah, crazy ass car.